Please welcome our guest with a huge round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today we are gathered here to celebrate a National Startup Day and an occasion vibrant startup ecosystem and amazing work done by the public and private research organization. As 3rd October 2023, India is going to explain unicorn is a term which is used for capital industry to describe privately held startup company with a value of over $1 billion.
Individuals who embark on this challenging yet rewarding.
Let me explain. Unicorn is a term which is used for capital industry to describe privately held startup company with a value of over $1 billion.
The concept of startup goes behind towards benefits of agricultural community of India. So, our today's guest is Mr. Vijaya Varandaraju, who is a co-founder and director at AG Automate Private Limited. Sir is having an immense 22 years of experience in farm equipment industries. He worked in various functions, also a research and development field, testing, customer acquisition and market research departments. He is a co-founder of AG Automate, a startup working on precision agriculture solutions based in Pune. He is on an advisory board of AgriNext Consultancy Pune.
Now I would request Honorable Director. For your valuable words.
Now I request Dr. S.S. Lakade sir to address the gathering and provide
learning process. You are allowed to sit in that space wherein you can brainstorm, you can work on your ideas. There will be mentoring sessions, ideation sessions, design thinking sessions for you, especially for you, to nurture and develop your idea. Once the idea you have finalized the design part of it, then you can develop the prototype in our mechanical engineering department. We have all the facilities like TIG, MIG, CNC, VMC, all type of. So this is a process in which you are supposed to work. It is said that if in your 4 years of engineering, if you can develop 4 products of your own, saying that those skill sets are maybe in the design form. That means if you are from mechanical field or from robotics automation field, you should be able to 3D model the things. First, initially you should have a 2D model, then you can develop a 3D model. Then finally you can go for digital.
Raju sir to give addressing to gathering.
Pronounce my name properly, at least because it's quite natural that in the Maharashtra it happens. First name is Vijay Vardhan and second name is Raju. For simplification, you can call me Raju. Actually, honest confession is I have not prepared any slides for you. In fact, I hate slides. So, anyway, being students, you are exposed to slides and lectures every day. So, I honestly don't want to go through slides. Maybe let's have an interactive session wherein you can this conversation. If you don't have any questions, then I have plenty of slides. So maybe I'll start the discussion. See, startup. You are listening these words quite often these days, right? Right from Modi to local minister to corporator to panchayat member, everybody is talking about startup. Right? So what is this startup? Was it not existent before Modi or before this government or before 2014? It is not like that, right? It was there since historic times. Only thing is we coined a word. It's nothing new. It's a business. And what is business? Business is as simple as पैसा बनाना है, right? पैसा तो स्मगलिंग करके भी बना सकते हैं, right? But पैसा in a organized manner, in accordance with the law of the land, and for benefit of the society. Primary objective should be like that, right? That's business. So why then suddenly this startup coin has become so much glamorous? Say, I passed out of my college in 2001. So in 2001 itself we thought of having a company. We never knew that it is called startup. A company बनाएंगे. So we roamed around for almost like 1.5 years. सबने बोला बेवकूफी मत करो, चुपचाप नौकरी में चले जाओ. See, 20 years back that was the story, right? From parents to college to friends, even anybody well-wishers, everybody used to say, "Chalo, kuch work somewhere, gain some experience, then think about it." But these days it's different, right? So society as a whole has changed. That is the best outcome what we got because of the government push. Otherwise, people like my father, see, I was with John Deere for close to 17 years, and before that I was working with Central Government. When I left Central Government, my father obviously pissed off. My papa, school teacher, he said, "बेवकूफी कर रहे हो. Why are you leaving government job? That too without bribe. ऐसा ही मिल गया, क्यों छोड़ना है?" Then I left and I came to Pune. Joined John Deere. Initially it took some time. Parents were really happy once my salary started increasing. Luckily I was fortunate to grow very fast in the organization, and it was very good organization. That's why I spent close to 17 years there. When I left John Deere, again same story repeated. ये बेवकूफी है, इतना अच्छा नौकरी है, इतना साल में 2-3 फॉरेन ट्रिप मिल जाता है, अच्छा है ये वो. See, again, think, think in your own terms. It may be right or wrong, I don't know. But वो बोलते हैं ना, पागलपंती चाहिए. When you want to do something on your own, you need to be stubborn. नहीं तो नहीं हो पाता. अभी उसी को कॉर्पोरेट इंग्लिश में बोलना है तो डेडिकेशन, डिवोशन, सिंगल माइंड, फोकस, इस टाइप में बोलते हैं. सिंपल में बोलना तो पागलपंती चाहिए. Then why only startup? Why can't it be a business? See, business means, say, for example, today I don't have a job. I want to make money. Unique items are made in my mass scale. Say, for example, in Maharashtra, में आप उल्लासनगर को जानते हो. Likewise, Agra, Kanpur, Coimbatore, Rajkot. There are many places where they do mass production. You just go there, tell them, ये नाम छाप के मुझे इतना यूनिट चाहिए. They'll give you. Bring them in. Add your profit, sell it. Still it's a business, right? Still you are serving society. Still you are within the purview of the law. Then why it is not called startup? Startup means you bring some new idea, which is completely out of the box. It should be innovative. Then only we call it startup. That's why startup got glamorous. Not any other business. Any other business को मैं simple words में trading बोलता हूँ. Just bring माल लाओ, माल बेचो, right? Then unique जो है ऐसा नहीं कि something ऐसे tech strong words के jargon use करते हैं ना, artificial intelligence, machine learning, you not necessary. You find a problem in the society, find a solution to it. And work a business plan around the idea. Say, for example, in my view, the best startup or best business for Indian society is Sulabh Shauchalaya. It may sound vague, but that is the utmost required thing. वो कहीं पर भी जाओ across India, right from Srinagar to Kanyakumari, कहीं पर भी जाओ, that's need of the day. Then why only we have a country with more than 140 crore people, we have only one Sulabh Shauchalaya brand? Just I'm putting a vague idea. Then आप बोल सकते आप खुद क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? My experience is in farm machinery side, so I obviously I opted for farm machinery. But I'm just throwing an idea. कुछ भी उसमें इनोवेटिव कर सकते हैं, एक बिजनेस प्लान क्यों नहीं कर सकते? तो innovation need not to be on a product. That's what I meant to say. Your problem statement should be very clear, and innovation can be in any one of the steps, be it in R&D itself, I mean the design and development of the product itself, or the way you manufacture it, the way you produce it, or the way you distribute it, or the way you market it, right? So, but you need innovation. So just simply copying someone's work and doing it here, it won't suffice. I'll give you a few examples. Everybody uses WhatsApp, right? Just go to Play Store, see how many messaging apps are there already. When I first used Telegram, when it was very new, just try करना था, सब लोगों ने बोला मैं भी try किया. I found it very innovative and very useful. I mean utility wise, much better than WhatsApp. WhatsApp में आज जो फीचर आ रहे हैं उसमें सदियों से, right from day one. But nobody इतना popularity तो मिला नहीं उसको. There are even many more. I'm just giving you some examples. Then that's why the first enter किया, innovation लेके आया, उसको benefit मिला. But not necessarily every time it happens like that. But sometimes, majority of the times, not sometimes. Majority of the times, first one who brings a new idea, they gain more business. So I wish to listen some of the queries from your side. कुछ नहीं है तो फिर भाषण सुनो. See, I'm not a regular professor or a trainer, so I don't know how to speak on the dais first case. तो मैं directly flow में जा रहा हूँ. तो जो भी आपके साइड से क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे तो that will be more productive. And यहाँ पर भी एक बंदा स्टबर्न चाहिए जो पहला स्टार्ट करेगा, फिर बाकी सब फ्लो में आ जाएगा. हाँ, यहाँ पर भी स्टार्टर चाहिए. So, किसी को ऐसा डाउट आया है क्या भाई, जो टीचर्स आपको पढ़ाना है, पढ़ा के ग्रेजुएट बनाना है आपको, वो लोग क्यों आपको स्टार्टअप के बारे में बता रहे हैं? ऐसा डाउट नहीं आया आपको? Why should they do this? ठीक है, इंडस्ट्री वाले बता रहे हैं तो दैट्स आई अंडरस्टैंड कि बिजनेस चाहिए, बिजनेस में यंग ब्लड चाहिए, नया एनर्जी चाहिए. बट व्हाई एवरी एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट इज पुशिंग फॉर दैट? ये डाउट आया? See, I started my first startup at the age of 41 and realized it won't work and started one more at the age of 43. But it's too late, I feel, sometimes. So when you start very early, you fail early, even better. You learn from it. So for taking a tough call now, young blood is young minds are better suited, because once your age increases, obviously you have some responsibilities like family pressures, kids education, many things come into picture, and also your energy goes down a bit नहीं, बहुत कुछ. So catch them young, जो वॉरेन बफेट का एक स्टेटमेंट है ना, catch them young, वो शेयर्स के लिए बोल रहा है, it applies everywhere. So that's the reason. मैं सिंप्लीफाई कर रहा हूँ. That's the reason I think every education institute these days are pushing for startups, because young mindset में कोई बैगेज नहीं रहता. Not only जो बैगेज मैंने लिस्ट आउट किया, and जो प्रोफेशनल बैगेज. So for example, you come to me, you ask something कि so and so आइडिया चलेगा. फर्स्ट रिएक्शन मेरी तरफ से क्या आएगा? यार ट्रक इंडस्ट्री में तो ऐसा नहीं है, देखना पड़ेगा कार में कैसा है. You know, that baggage comes into picture. The perspective is narrowed down over years. My perspective has been limited. या तो ट्रैक्टर्स या तो एग्रीकल्चर वहीं पे रुक गया. So obviously I don't know other side of the क्या picture है वो पता नहीं. So but for you, देखो छोटा बच्चा क्यों खेलता है बिंदास? बिकॉज उसको fear of failure नहीं है. गिरा तो क्या होगा पता नहीं, तो बिंदास जाएगा. बिंदास जाना बहुत जरूरी है स्टार्टअप जर्नी. स्टबर्न के साथ भी थोड़ा हिम्मत दिखा के चलना जरूरी है. सो द मोर एक्सपीरियंस यू आर, द मोर लिमिटेशंस यू हैव, नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम योर सराउंडिंग्स बट विद इन योर. ये करना है नहीं करना है पता नहीं. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन माई ओन पर्सनल केस, टुडे आई एम प्लेइंग वेरी सेफ. To be very honest, for a startup, I'm playing very safe. Reason is, I don't want to fail. Already I failed once. But if you start at your age, you'll not have that fear. Just because of this fear, I lost at least 3-4 very good opportunities. Because I was focused on my own product, my own R&D, my own design. And there many people approached me for some consultancy. One harvester company approached us because they knew. Not take it. I kept on lingering on the idea. कि यार मैं तो प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए आया हूँ, मैं कंसल्टेंसी में जाऊंगा तो धप्पा वही लग जाएगा. कल को अपने नोन सर्कल में कंसल्टेंसी का धप्पा लग जाएगा तो मेरे प्रोडक्ट का क्या हुआ? कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I should have taken it. Then इंडस्ट्री में मेरा नेटवर्क भी डेवलप होता ना. नाउ आई रिग्रेट. तो इफ आई आस्क समवन टू हेल्प मी, दे विल सी माय बैकग्राउंड, ये कौन है, क्या है रेफरेंस है. बट फॉर ए यंग किड व्हेन ही कम्स विद एन आइडिया, जनरली वी गेट लॉट ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन एंड सपोर्ट. दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट्स एक्चुअली टेल्स यू हाउ टू सेल इट. I'll give you a few examples. If I am making a generic product, generic मतलब already उसका reference product या exact similar replica market में available है, तो आप जितने भी वो हो गया. Indirect competition भी रहेंगे जो similar चीज को सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, उनके साथ कंपेयर करके देखो पहले कि अपना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप डिटेलिंग करता हूँ, अमूल बेचता है बंदा, मार्केटियर दुकानदार, उसको मान के चलो एक पाउच पे ₹1 की प्रॉफिट मिलता है. कल को आप जाके बोलोगे मेरा एक पॉकेट बेचोगे तो मेरे 10 पैसा मिलेगा, तो दुकानदार आपको एंटरटेन करेगा क्या? उसको एक का आदत हो चुका है. आई मीन ही इज यूज्ड टू दैट, है ना. उसको ₹1.25 दिखा दो, फिर वो हो सकता है आपकी बात सुनेगा. भले ही आपका प्रोडक्ट कैसा भी रहेगा, बट टू जस्ट गेन द एंट्री यू हैव टू मेक द डील, राइट. So first benchmark the thing, which segment you are working in, उस segment में आपका competition कैसा है और market का tendency क्या है, वो pattern एक बार समझ में आ गया, you will get an answer by automatically आपको समझ में आ जाए. So that's my idea of having this conversation. If you don't have any questions, then I have plenty of slides. So maybe I'll start the discussion. See, startup, you are listening these words quite often these days, right? Right from Modi to local minister to corporator to panchayat member, everybody is talking about startup. Right? What is this startup? Was it not existed before Modi or before this government or before 2014? It is not like that, right? It was there since historic times. Only thing is we coined a word. It's nothing new, it's a business. And what is business? Business is as simple as पैसा बनाना, right? पैसा तो स्मगलिंग करके भी बना सकते हैं.
To give some words and propose a vote of thanks.
See, before I will propose the vote of thanks, let me tell you the honest story of all of ours actually. Basically,
बराबर है ना, right? So this is a normal thought process every middle class family makes. सोचो अगर यही विचार टाटा, रिलायंस या जितने भी बिजनेसमैन हैं उन्होंने अगर किया रहता तो क्या हो जाता? Can be their business जो आप जो नौकरी को चाहते हैं वो नौकरी आपको मिलती है. ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स, द पर्पस बाय अ रूरल पीपल. एक खेती वाला आदमी रहता है, एक चौथी पांच 10वीं पांच वाला आदमी रहता है. ही डेवलप दैट अटैचमेंट. करेक्ट सर, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. This is what is happening. And then what we people are doing in taking big degrees in big colleges. And that's why government is promoting the startup should be